Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 power 5 times 4 power 7 without using calculator. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first we can write 4 power 7 as 4 power 5 plus 2, and according to exponent rule x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So we can write it as 5 power 5 times 4 power 5 times 4 power 2. Now, according to the property of exponent, a power b times c power b, we can write it as a times c power b. So here we can write it as 5 times 4 power 5 times 4 square. 5 times 4 is 20 power 5 times 4 square. 20 we can break it as 2 times 10 whole power 5 times 4 we can write it as 2 square whole square. So again we are going to use this rule, so we can write it as 2 power 5 times 10 power 5 times, and according to exponent rule, x power n, we can write it as x power n. So 2 power 4. Now we are going to use this rule. So x power m plus n is equals to x power m times x power n. So we can write it as 2 power 5 plus 4 times 10 power 5. That is 2 power 9 times 10 power 5. So as we know that 2 power 9 is equals to 512. So 512 times 10 power 5, or you can write it as 512, or in scientific notation, you can write it as 5.12 into 10 to the power 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.